Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about the quotient rule of derivative. Let's say we have y equals to 8 over b. So if we apply the formula, that should be like this. Now we have this one. So if we apply the formula, they can be like this. So A that is about f of s. So we change for f of s in here. B that is about g of s. Now we do similar in here. This one that is about f of s. This one that is about g of s with the power number 2. Now we need to find first derivative f of s and g of s from here. So if we do first derivative, this one we have negative number 5 sine of 5s plus number 7, because first derivative of cosine we have negative sine. Later that we do first derivative of 5s plus 7. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This is the reason why we have number 5. Now we go to this one, and that is about negative number 3 cosine of 2 minus 3s. This one that is about cosine. First derivative of negative 3s, you got negative number 3. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. And now we put everything gone here. So this one that is about this one. Three s that is about this one. This one that is about this one. Negative with negative we have positive. F of s that is about this one. This one 3s that is about this one. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.